Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we do writing practice 0 to 10. So let's start. 0. Everybody say with me. 0. This is 0. And next we will write here number 1. This is number 1. O-N-E 1. 1 elephant. Next we will write number 2. 2. 1, 2, 2 monkey. T-W-O 2. The next number we will write here number 3. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3 book. T-H-R-E-E 3. Next number we will write number 4. Number 4. Here is 4 teddy bear. F-O-U-R 4. What is the next number we will write? Number 5. Say everybody with me. Number 5. Now we have 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F-I-V-E 5. Next number shall we write? Number 6. Speak everybody with me. 6. We have 6 tiger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S-I-X 6. After 6, next will come number 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 kite. S-E-V-E-N 7. After 7, next number come number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 socks. After 8, next will come number 9. Say everybody with me. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 frog. After 9, next will come. That's right, it's a number 10. Say everybody. 1, 0, 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. G-E-N 10. See you soon in next video. More fun and learning. Bye-bye.